Hey, what's up folks? Welcome to your 10th data structure tutorial in JavaScript for the beginners. In this tutorial, we'll be discuss about queue concept in data structure. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Well, hello, my name is Atik Ahmed. I am here because I love to give the presentations. Beside all the details giving at my blog ghostsec.com, more details also you can find me at my website atikahmed.com. So what is queue in data structure? A queue is an abstract data structure somewhat similar to stack. So we have already seen the stack, right? So stack, it is not open from the both ends, right? It is just like a glass. But in queue, it opens at both ends. One end used to insert the data, which we call it as a enqueue, and another it used to remove the data, which we call it as a dequeue. And queue stands for FIFO, which is first in, first out. So you can see that initially the queue is basically empty, and we push 1 into the queue, then we push 2 into the queue. So first come is 1, right? So 1 is going to remove from the queue, then after that we can remove 2. We cannot remove 2 first, then 1, because it's a queue. So the concept is first in, first out. So we need to remove first 1, then 2. Alright, so we'll be going to discuss everything in details along with the program. So let's do the visualization first in order to get the better understanding. So let's create a queue first. In order to do that, you can click on create and random. So you can see that your queue has been created, and in the queue there are 4 elements: 20, 16, 93 and 33. So if I click on peak, so you can see that it will always gonna return 20, which is the head. And if I gonna do enqueue, if I do 85, that means 85 gonna insert at the beginning in the queue itself. So you can see that 85 is gonna insert in the beginning of the queue. And in the similar way, if I click on dequeue, you might have seen that 20 has been removed from the queue itself. So you can see that right now the head is pointing to 16. Alright, so let's do the hands-on coding now. So we are going to do that using the array, and let's create a class called queue. Constructor will be this dot arr, which is blank, and we can say here enqueue method, right? So in the enqueue, which will take a value or data, and I can say this dot arr dot of push of data and return of this. And let's do the dequeue method as well. I can say this dot arr dot of shift. So when I do shift, that means it will gonna remove the data from the beginning of the array itself. So if I'm talking about the diagram, you might have remember when you do dequeue, it's gonna remove the element from the beginning of the array, right? So what I can do, I can say here return of this, and I can create a method called print list, which is gonna return the ARR. Alright, so let's instantiate the class. In order to do that, I can say here queue, and I can say new of queue, and I'm gonna enqueue (16, 93, 33 and 85), and let's enqueue one more method called 5. So if we call it queue dot of dequeue, and if you do console dot of log queue dot of print list, if I run this program, so you can see that I am having 16, 93, 83 and 85. 16, 93. So this is 33. In the place of 33, I inserted 83, and let's make 33 then. And if I run it once again, so you can see that 16, 93, 33 and 85. 16, 93, 33 and 85. And if I basically run this method one more time, so initially we have removed the 5, right? So right now we are going to remove the 6 itself. So you can see that 93, 33 and 85. So we have run 2 times DQ method, right? So for that reason we are getting 93, 83, sorry 93, 33 and 85. So if I click on DQ one more time, so this is the output which I am getting here itself. Alright, in this tutorial we have discussed about queue concept in data structure. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this playlist. I am going to see you in the next tutorial where we will discuss graph concept in data structure. If you are watching this video on Facebook, don't forget to like my page. If you are watching this video on YouTube, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel in order to get more video updates. Thank you guys.